said fuck Trump. Try one of mine, better nigga get jumped. Came from the bottom, I